Want to use Do Not Disturb on your Android, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to enable Do Not Disturb on Android. Now let's get started. To turn on Do Not Disturb on your Android smartphone, first swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control panel. You may need to swipe down again to expand the menu to see all the control options. Then tap Do Not Disturb to turn this setting on. You can choose if you want Do Not Disturb to stay on until you turn it off, or set how long you want it to stay on for, with options for 15 minutes up to 12 hours. Use the plus and minus signs to choose how long you want it to stay on. Then tap Turn On. Do Not Disturb will then be enabled. That's all it takes to enable Do Not Disturb on Android. Want more beginner-friendly Android tips and tricks? Check out our full playlist of Android tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.